Hi friends, 2 months ago, Jayne Matthews gave me a razor cut French bob that I've been having a lot of fun with. The best part is that I wear it 100% naturally, and my cleansing and styling routine is ridiculously easy and hassle-free. In this video, I'll take you through it and show you how the right haircut and products can unleash the natural beauty of your hair. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do and tap the bell for notifications. It does all start with a great haircut. I'm super lucky that I get to get an annual haircut by the amazing Jayne Matthews. She works with the natural texture and nuances of your hair, and she uses a razor to sculpt these petals and waves and make your face look really great by framing it. It really accentuates your best features and is really the foundation for natural styling. With her cuts, you're not fighting your hair. Instead, you are taking its natural shape and texture and just sort of guiding it into place. She's taught me how to keep up the bangs, sides, and crown in between. She has a series of online classes that she teaches. She breaks it down and makes it so easy and doable. I honestly never would have believed I would be doing this myself, but I'm so glad that I can. I haven't touched this cut since she cut it 2 months ago. Her cuts also grow out really amazingly well too. And I will probably get in there in another 2 months or so and do a little bit of trimming myself. About 4 years ago, I started using New Wash by Hairstory to cleanse my hair. It has been an absolute game changer and my hair has never looked and felt better. I honestly can't even imagine going back to using shampoo at this point. I pack my New Wash wherever I go. I did a whole video on this company and product that I will link here. New Wash is a first of its kind custom formula cleansing cream that cleans and conditions without harsh foams and damaging detergents found in traditional shampoos. It replaces both your shampoo and conditioner. Some people have an adjustment period using New Wash. I didn't. I loved it from the very first time I used it. Even though I work out and sweat pretty much every day, including hot yoga classes, I only need to wash my hair twice a week now that I've been using New Wash. I mostly use the original formula, but once a month I use the rich formula just for a little bit of extra conditioning. Since it's different than using traditional shampoo and conditioner, it does help to know how to use it properly. So let me just take you through how I do it. It's been 4 days since I cleansed my hair. I could probably go a few more days before washing it, but we're going to dinner and I want to freshen it up a bit. Before washing it, I brush my hair vigorously with a boar bristle brush. I go from roots to ends to release the oil in my scalp. Since it's been a month, I'm going to use the rich formula today. It's important to use enough. You should use the amount you normally use for both shampoo and conditioner. For my length hair, this is the correct amount. Also, since there is no detergent in it, you need to work the New Wash through your hair and scalp pretty vigorously with either your fingers or this great scalp brush you can buy from Hairstory. I love the scalp brush and I get in there really deep with it. It feels really good. It doesn't hurt, it just feels great. I turned my husband and daughter onto New Wash and the scalp brush and they both love it too. When I'm in the shower, I let it sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I wash it out really, really well. Make sure to get it all out. Then I lightly towel dry it. I don't brush it when it's wet. I just use my fingers to go through it and shape it in place. It feels so soft and luxurious. I don't put any additional product on it at this point. When it's about 3/4 dry, I spray some Undressed by Hairstory into the crown area and massage it in. Then I use the Hair Balm by Hairstory, which I really love too. I smooth it all over my hair and then massage and sculpt it into place and let it completely dry. And here's the final result. Soft, shiny, healthy, natural hair. Feels and looks great. It's so easy. This will now last me for a good 4 days. On day 2 or 3, I might spray a little bit of water into it just to release some of the curls again if it gets a little flat. I then can also repeat the whole Undressed and Hair Balm on the dry hair and kind of massage it and sculpt it into place. I found this balm to be versatile too and can change it up just by tucking one side behind my ear and letting some of the side bits loose. Or I can tuck both sides behind my ear. I can also put on a headband for some color and a little different look. I bought these really cool hairpins that work well on this length hair, and I can create several looks pulling my hair back into these. They really hold it into place well, and again, just give it another little different look. Well, I think that's about it. What do you think of my super easy routine? What do you do? Do you have an easy routine and wear your hair natural too? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.